What is up, you guys? I'm going to show you guys this Titleist Vokey spin milled wedge I got at the thrift store today, and I'm going to take the rust off of it, and you guys can see I paid, see if I can get this thing to focus, 99 cents. Grip is pretty worn out, but it has a shaft's not bent, dynamic gold wedge flex. It's probably like a S300, I guess. But check this out. This thing is, get to the sun, this thing is covered in patina rust. But the thing is, it doesn't even look like it's been hit. There's no marks on the bottom. It's a 60 degree 60 loft, or 8 degrees of bounce. But anyway, I'm going to try to clean it up, just to have some fun. And what I'm going to use is, since a lot of folks use Coke, but I don't drink caffeine. I haven't had a caffeine or a Coke in 15 years. But so what I do have around the house is some distilled white vinegar. So I'm going to soak the wedge in that. So I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll go from super patina, this is probably max patina, and we'll clean it up. I might keep it or sell it. Alright guys, peace. Alright guys, I used my whole bottle of distilled white vinegar. I didn't have a full bottle, but I managed to get enough into this cut off 2-liter bottle. So the whole thing is submerged into the distilled white vinegar. So it's 10:30 a.m. Tuesday morning, so I'm going to leave this in here for a while, and we'll see what this looks like. I'll give an update. Alright guys, peace. So what's up, you guys? I am back. I've been soaking this Vokey wedge in this cut off Coke bottle. This is just apple white vinegar, or yeah, just white vinegar. And if you've seen the before video, so it got, now I will say, I used to, after I soaked it for 48 hours and intermittently would pull it out of the Coke bottle and just use it with a brush, maybe some not steel wool, but a I can't think of shit right now, Scotch Brite pad, and like a toothbrush. And while I'm there, I used the citrus dip stripping gel when I was done, just to pull whatever was left of the paint. Where am I at here? So pretty good. I mean, all in all, right there you see some little pitting where the rust just ate into the metal. But overall, pretty happy with how it turned out. So anyway, guys, if you're thinking about trying to get, if you want to get the rust or whatever off of the, then white vinegar is the way to go. I may repaint this. I'm going to flip it. I'm going to sell it anyway. I got this just for 99 cents. And alright guys, peace out.